This is a tutorial on how to format your paper in APA documentation style. These instructions are pertinent to Microsoft Word. The first thing you'll do is to open a new blank Word document. You'll then go up to the Tool menu and choose Insert, Header. Doesn't really matter which one you choose, we'll just choose this top one. Then you're going to go over to where it says Page Number. Use the drop-down menu, choose Top of Page and plain number 3 to put your page number over on the right side. At this point, we need to get our cursor back over to the left side to put our title. So we're going to use the backspace key, and we'll hit that 2 times. And now we're going to type in all capital letters the title of your paper. You'll then hit the Tab key on the keyboard 2 times, and that will move your page number back over to where it belongs on the right side. At this point, you're going to go back up to the toolbar area in the middle, and you're going to click the box that says Different First Page. When you do that, everything is going to disappear. Don't worry about it. We're going to do the same process again, starting with the page number, top of page, plain number 3. We're going to backspace 2 times. And this time for the first page, we're going to first type the words running head, as you see here, colon, space, and then in all caps, the title of your paper. Again, we'll hit the Tab key 2 times to bring your page number back over to the right. At this point, you can click below the dotted line back on the main page, not in the header section. If you click a couple times, you'll exit that area. And you can see in grayed out font on our first page, we have running head, colon, and the title in all caps, and we have page number 1. If you were to hit enter to scroll down to the next page or insert a page break to go to the next page, you'll see that now we just have the title of our paper in all caps with the consecutive page number 2. And again, if you were to go to page 3, you would see that all successive pages will be following that format. The running head wording is only on the first page. And that's it.